Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how you can run Facebook ads effectively. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So as you can see, we are on my Facebook page right now, and all you have to do is you need to click over here. And as you can see, I have posted few videos over here, and let's take an example, like if you want to promote your reel, if you have a good product and if you want to promote it, simply click on boost post over here, and then this ad category will pop up. Now, the first question that they will ask is, what is your goal? So you can go ahead and change this if you want. Now, let's say if you want to get more messages, so that is, more people would like to message you, and then you want to reply it back on the messenger, then you choose this option. If it's a reel and you want to have lot of views, then you can select this option. If your goal is to get more leads, then you select this option. But I would suggest is don't go for this option, because then the people have to fill in the forms and stuff. So usually you will get less number of clients as compared to this one, where people will actually message you easily. And ultimately, if you're a mid-size or decent or big organization, you can go for get more calls, where you have a dedicated line where people can answer your calls, and they can resolve your queries if any. And last one is like get more website visitors. Like if you have an active website and if you want to promote the URL of that website, you can select this option. So for now, I will keep it automatic. I will click on save. Now then there is also a send button over here. So as you can see, just below the ad, whenever it is promoted, you will get a button like this, send message. If we click on book now, then it will show the ad preview as to how it is. Like if you have some show that is going to be in the future and you want people to book the tickets, then you can create this button. Then there is learn more, shop now. This shop now, you can use the link to directly transfer all the people to your hyperlink, where they can click and directly shop your products and then sign up and message and call right now. Now there is also this special ad category over here, which is ad about credits, employment, housing, or social issues. Now all you have to do is you can also create custom audience over here, as you can see. So by default it will select the country of your uh, where you are staying right now. So I'm staying in United Arab Emirates right now. And if you want to target gender specific, like if you have some beauty products, you can select on women maybe, and select between the age of 18 to 19. Here you can set the location wherever you want. So let's take an example, like if you want to focus on Los Angeles. So as you can see, this now has loaded Los Angeles over here, and you can also increase and decrease the size. So as you can see, this one is the zoom one, and you can select the radius over here. And there is also a detailed targeting as to how uh, people search interest are over Facebook. So let's say if we talk about beauty over here, so now let's take an example, like if someone is interested in beauty cosmetics and beauty salons, then you select this one. Then again, if we go on beauty, so beauty therapist, so you can do this detailed targeting. So I will go ahead and close this one. And now you will need to select the duration as to how many days if you want to run the ad. Let's say if you want to run the ad for 30 days, and then it will give few errors, like the minimum budget is like the minimum budget is 3.69 dirham, so that is like $1. So you can increase the budget over here. So as you can see, after increasing the budget to 500 dirhams, now all the errors have gone. So it will this will show you the estimated daily results as to how much reach that this ad will can get you. So it will get you somewhere around 1.7 to 4.9k reach, which around 70 to 200 people will click on that link, and this is the amount of spending that will happen. So basically in UAE there is 5% VAT, so they have added this 5% VAT over total budget, and it differs from country to country. So check with your country as to how much tax or VAT is there in your country, and then you need to add the payment method over here. You can use your credit card or debit card, whatever suits you. So it is showing Visa, Mastercard, American Express. I'm not sure what this is. So yeah, so once you are done with that, you can simply go ahead and start this ad. Because I haven't added the payment method, it's not giving me the option. And once you are done with this, you simply click on boost post now. So your ad will start, and if you have selected for 30 days, it will run for 30 days. So this is how you can advertise on Facebook. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.